The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain wrongful termination in Illinois. So Illinois is an at-will employment state, meaning that employers can terminate an employee for any reason or no reason at all, as long as it doesn't violate certain exceptions to the at-will employment. And when it violates one of these exceptions, that's wrongful termination. So the exceptions are that employers can't fire employees for a discriminatory reason, and we'll go into what discrimination is. They can't fire an employee in violation of an employment agreement without having some wrongful termination consequences. They can't fire an employee in retaliation for certain protected actions that the employee is taking. And they can't fire an employee for taking certain protected types of time off work for civic duties. So first, let's talk about what constitutes discrimination. There are certain protected classes that employers can't terminate employees if they're a member of this class because they're a member of that class. So it's got to be a termination based on them being a member of this protected class. And those protected classes include gender, age, national origin, disabilities, pregnancy, citizenship status, religion, and marital status. Whether a particular protected class is actually protected from termination may depend on the size of the employer. Each of these classes has a different employer size that they kick in and start being discrimination. Some of them apply to employers regardless of size. Let's discuss employment contracts a little bit. So if your employment contract provides that you're to be retained for a year, and depending on the wording, there may be some sort of penalty for violating that employment contract. So if the employer terminates you in violation of an employment contract, that's wrongful termination, that's a breach of contract. But it goes beyond just the employment contract. If the employee handbook outlines a disciplinary process that must occur prior to termination and the employer doesn't follow that process, failure to follow that process might constitute wrongful termination. Let's now talk about wrongful termination for protected time off work. So there's certain civic duties that employers are not permitted to fire their employees for exercising. So that includes time off work for military leave, jury duty, voting, and there are a couple other specific protected types of time off work that employers can't terminate you for taking, and terminating you for taking that time off work would be wrongful termination. So let's talk about what to do if you have been wrongfully terminated. So there's a rule that you must exhaust all of your administrative remedies before filing a lawsuit if you've been wrongfully terminated. This usually means filing a claim with the EEOC. And the EEOC is an agency that will investigate your claim and award damages if it finds that you have been wrongfully terminated. It's advantageous to work with an attorney from the outset of this process because an attorney can help you get a favorable resolution with the EEOC, and if you don't get a favorable resolution, help you with other options. So your attorney will draft an EEOC claim for you, follow up periodically to keep your case moving along. Following up with the EEOC can stop you from being a victim of their backlog and having your case drag out or get lost in the weeds. And finally, if the EEOC doesn't rule in your favor, your attorney can work with you on your other options, including civil litigation. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience, and we offer free consultations in many areas of law. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, iTunes, and SoundCloud, and you'll be notified of our daily article and video posts. You can also subscribe to our email database at our website at learn-about-law.com to receive email updates about our upcoming content. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.